Today we're going to show you how to make a brooder. We got this metal pipe. It was a 20-foot metal pipe. I cut it into 5 feet pieces. Then I made it's going to be a 3-floor brooder, so I made 4 of these here. These are just made out of furring, and they're 16 by 4 feet, and it's going to be on each level of the brooder. And then I'm going to use this 1/2 inch wire mesh, and here we are putting on the wire mesh. And I also put in a piece of aluminum here under it, which is going to protect the light that's going to go underneath here with the heating element. Here's the old brooder. We got 1 quail inside of there. He burst. And here we are starting to assemble the brooder. As you can see, these are gonna go, these metal tubing are gonna go on the outside, and this is actually the whole side here, and this is the top here. And so we still got to put in the other floors into here. As you can see, these are going to go in here, and these are spaced at 16 inches. You can see I left the area for the lights here. Here's the brooder, 3-floor brooder so far. We got the top floor, first floor. This is actually the 3rd floor, 2nd floor, and the 1st floor. As you can see, this is the metal, and this is furring, and the floor. Now we're gonna put some of this 1132 panel plywood on the back and on the sides. Okay folks, I didn't have too much of a chance to show the details on how I finished the 3-floor brooder, but here's the pretty much finished product. All I gotta do is just put a permanent roof paper over the wood. I temporarily got this plastic over it. So as you can see, all the 3 sides are made of wood, and the front we got the 3 doors, and you can see the lights in there, all connected, each one to a porcelain base with a switch on each one. And this one is this first level here, which is the first week they go into here. It's a 100-watt infrared bulb, and as you can see, I covered the sides on this first level. They're already in the 2nd week now. You can see the 2 quails and the Alaskan white pheasant in there. This is their 2nd week, so they're in the 2nd floor now. This one's 75-watt bulb, and then the 3rd week is going to be here with 50 watts. And this is pretty much the 3rd week, and that's it. Then they go back in the main cage there, which you saw in the other videos. So pretty much this is it. I did the as you saw, the 3 floors out of furring. Then this part up here is just I put a furring together into 3 pieces here. See, each one. And as you can see, I did this piece here so they don't just walk right out here. And then I did the door. You can see it's just a door also out of furring. Tied it together with some big staples there. And you got the hinges, everything stainless steel. The latch. And that's pretty much it. They're very happy in there. They got their food. Game bird 30%. And they're happy. The pheasants definitely runs around a lot more than the quail. He's like a little more nervous. And there's the water there. I could probably take out the marbles already. Thank you for watching. Before we end this video, let me just give you the quick dimensions. The width is pretty much 48 plus a little more there. Then it comes out 16 inches. The entire height from the ground is about 5 feet. And then each level is 16 inches. You can see here. So each level here is 16 inches, each one from the bottom to the top of each level, 16 inches. And then you got the rest down here is just 12 inches. Thank you for watching. See you later, guys. I forgot to mention, I really like this particular brand of bulbs, and very high quality. This was the all 3 bulbs are the same brand. Infrared. Forgot to give you one more measurement. The doors, the width is 14 by 12.